Today I'm going to be using my Genmitsu Z3 to make a custom ornament for a client. As a disclaimer, I received my Z3 for free so I could create content for it. So I'm just going to kind of show how it works here. And quite simply, there is an app. You can put text, you can put pictures, you can put QR codes, whatever you want. And you'll set up your engraving options, and then you'll just hit start. It will upload to the machine and it will engrave what you want. I am using a simple wood round that I purchased that has kind of a snowflakey pattern on it, but I'm going to go ahead and hit start so we can see how fast this goes. Now, normally if you're doing wood, you're going to want to do this in a well-ventilated area. I am in my office, which is not well-ventilated, so I don't recommend that. But let's see how this goes. As you can see, it's moving pretty fast, but it is making quite a bit of smoke. Not too bad. But this is why you should really be in a better ventilated area. But it was quick and easy to set up this engraving. It has an outline it'll give you of where it will be engraving, so you can make sure everything is adjusted exactly where you want it. And it is all controlled by a simple mobile app. Now, I'm not speeding up time just because I want you to see how fast this actually goes. So this is all in real time, nothing is sped up at all. And it is about 75% done now. And there we go. So as you see, it engraved it very nicely. It looks fantastic, and I'm very happy with this. So I would recommend getting one of these if you have a maker type business and you want to make custom stuff for people. It makes it quick and easy, and not everyone is doing laser engraving. Most people are doing like the adhesive vinyls, so it does help you stand out from your competition.